How to create a shop on Facebook page. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a shop on your Facebook page. First of all, open your Facebook. For that, make sure you have installed and updated the latest version. If you have already done so, then tap on the three vertical lines on the top right side. Now tap on the very marketplace option. Now what you need to do is tap on the very sale option. To sell, you must need to have your own shop. So just tap on the very items option or anything that you want to sell. After you choose on the very items option, you need to add some photos, the title, price, category, conditions, description, and the location as well. And after you list it all above, then you can you do, if you want to hide it from friends, then hide it. If not, then do not hide it. And by doing that, just tap on the very publish option, and just like that, the marketplace shop is already been created on your Facebook page. So that's how we can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.